What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another PS5 tips and tricks video. Today I'm going to show you guys what I think is the best SSD for the PS5 expansion upgrade. I'm always getting comments asking about which SSD I use or recommend for the PS5. So today I'm going to show you the SSD and heatsink that I will be using with my own personal PlayStation 5. To start off, I'd like to say that I've had the opportunity to test several different SSDs with the PS5, but I gotta say my favorite so far has been the Sabrent Rocket 4 Plus with the PS5 heatsink. This will be the one that I'll be installing on my own personal PS5. Of all the SSDs that I've looked at and tested, I think that this is the best option and value for the PlayStation 5, and there's a few reasons why. For starters, of all the PS5 compatible SSDs, the Rocket 4 Plus is the most affordable. I was able to get the 1TB with heatsink bundle for just $180 on Amazon, which is cheaper than both the Samsung 980 Pro or WD SN850. Now, it's not to say that alone makes it a better option, but it's clear that you definitely get a better value with the Rocket 4 Plus versus the more expensive options. Reason number two has to be the heatsink. Sabrent was the first to design a heatsink specifically for the PS5, and heat testing has actually confirmed that it does a better job at cooling the PS5 than a traditional heatsink. And since it's designed only to be used with the PS5, it makes installation easy and you don't have to worry if it's going to fit or not. It's since become my favorite design and I haven't switched it out since. Now, performance-wise, it's true that other SSDs like the FireCuda 530 may offer better performance on paper, but in reality, this will typically only result in millisecond differences in load times for the PS5. The truth is, most people are not going to see a difference, and in my opinion, that extra money is better spent on other PS5 accessories like an extra controller. Any compatible Gen 4 SSD is going to be plenty fast for the PS5, and since this is an optional upgrade to an already expensive console, in my opinion, you're best off going with the most affordable option. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and you found it useful or at least interesting, and if you did, make sure to leave a like rating on the video, comment below to let me know what you think, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Boys.